Hello everyone, welcome back to Eurovision Crave. This is Fame here, and today we are reacting to Ukraine's Eurovision 2025 song. Ukraine has chosen their entry through the Vidbir National Forum, and Ziferblat won with Bird of Prey. So let's watch what Ukraine has chosen to represent them at Eurovision 2025 in Basel. Another band, once again. Ukraine is so scared of solo artists. Ooh. Okay. This is giving this is giving a mixture of Iceland, that girl band, I forgot the name, and that little boy band from Slovenia that didn't qualify either. Ooh.
And I call you blood, blood. I'm begging you, please just leave. Share
Oh my god.
with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
I'm trying to find something nice to say. Okay, I love the outfit. I think it's really cute. It looks really sweet. Oh, I didn't see the belt, sorry. Ooh. Okay. I don't want to be negative. Who chose this? Oh my god, the rhythm is just so off. I feel like there's way too many instruments that don't go well together, or at least are not in the same rhythm. Ooh. Red? Girl, that's not a red light song, sorry.
Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave.
Oh my god. What? Oh, okay, this is nice. This is pretty good. Oh, that was it. 2 seconds. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Backing vocalist, by the way, Queen, she's serving. Please swap places. I think if she was singing that song, she would have killed it. Ooh. It's a song. I did not listen to the other songs, so I don't know if there was anything better than this, but I'm assuming there was. I love Krilata, by the way. Her song last year, Queen, that didn't even get to go to the final, was probably my favorite song, one of my favorite songs of the year. Okay, do you know what? If in any other country sent this song, it would not qualify. I think this is one of those 100% sure non-qualifiers. This, for me, if it was any other country than Ukraine, it would not qualify. I'm just giving my 100% opinion. I think it's just not pleasant to listen to. It kind of gives me, it doesn't make me feel good listening to it. I just feel like it sounds like a university or even a high school project. I'm really confused. I don't know. Usually I would not post a reaction like this, but it's the official song, so I'm not gonna be like, okay, man, I love this. No, this is just not good. Sorry. So this is what I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.